What's new in FloorPlan 2026? This demonstration begins by opening a sample house project and adjusting the 3D view to clearly display the design. Next, the Copilot is opened, followed by selecting Image Studio. From there, the prompt section is accessed, where the design preservation settings are available. The design preservation feature allows users to control how closely the AI-generated result follows the original design. 4 options are available: None, Relaxed, Strict, and Redesign, each providing a different level of design preservation. The None option applies no design preservation, allowing the AI to interpret the prompt freely and generate a result without considering the original design, providing maximum creative freedom. The Relaxed option preserves the main characteristics of the original design while allowing noticeable updates and improvements. It is suitable for modernizing a space without completely changing its overall appearance. The Strict option closely follows the original design by preserving the existing layout, structure, and major architectural elements. Only limited changes are applied, making it ideal for subtle enhancements. The Redesign option creates a significantly different result based on the provided prompt. It uses the existing project as a reference while allowing the AI to introduce major design changes, making it suitable for complete transformations. By selecting the appropriate design preservation option, users can control the balance between preserving the existing design and creating a new visual concept that aligns with their design goals. Thanks for watching.